Hey kids, do you like stuff that tastes good?
Yeah!
Do you like chocolate?
Yay!
Then you're going to love the latest snack. Introducing chocolate-covered stuff from Toxico Foods. Toxico Foods. We handpick ingredients everyone loves and cover them in delicious chocolate, making them into a tasty snack that anyone should feel good about. Very good. Fall flavor. Espresso yourself. Spice it up. Sweetness. Keeping it kosher. Allergy schmallergy. Not a cracker. Lucky you. Hard to put down. Office essentials. Don't think, act now. Everyone is eating it, so it must be good. Keep your taste buds in an unchallenged state of bliss. Chocolate-covered stuff. It doesn't matter what's inside as long as it tastes good. Toxico Foods is a subsidiary of Toxico Industries. May not be suitable for human consumption. Product is known to be dangerously delicious by the state of California. The book of Proverbs asks, can a man scoop fire into his lap and not be burned? Now, we all want to be happy. We all want peace. We all want justice. We all want things to be made right. We invest our time and our energy into entertainment and our personal interests. We put great effort into the things that we think promote our happiness, our well-being, and the things we find valuable. Apparent solutions to our need for happiness bombard us from every angle imaginable. Buy this thing. Join this cause. Believe this thing. This way of thinking has the answer. The world offers you a lot of options. Their solution, their answer, their agenda. If that answer is not rooted in the truth of the God of the Bible, it will result in destruction, both in the here and now and in eternity. Being created in God's image, mankind was never designed to think or live in any way contrary to God's design, any more than you can digest chocolate-covered thumbtacks. Mankind has forgotten that when we make a choice, we aren't just choosing the thing we pursue, we're also choosing the consequences of making that choice. And the same thing goes for any philosophy, theology, or any idea that you buy into. You're not just signing up for what the perceived benefit is of that idea. You're also choosing the consequences that will follow from the conclusions that you draw. So can a man scoop fire into his lap and his clothes not be burned? No. The answer is no. If you put fire in your lap, you're going to get burned. The world is so good at expertly sugarcoating their ungodly ways of thinking with labels that promise happiness and peace. And the world is always in a hurry. Its message is always so urgent and doesn't leave any time for real critical thinking. Just think about how this will benefit you right now. Don't let your present happiness be upset, even for a moment. Just do what feels good. Don't get me wrong, I like stuff that tastes good and I love chocolate. But no matter how much chocolate coating you put on a piece of trash, it's still just a piece of chocolate-covered trash. There are plenty of people who are more than willing to do your thinking for you. Don't throw away your God-given ability to think and make decisions according to what God says is true. Read the Bible and get to know how God thinks and what He values most. You can't even begin to think right until you understand who He is and what His purpose is for you. And you won't be able to see through the labels that the world puts on their lies until you know the God of the Bible. If you like this video, please like and share it, and make sure you follow us at these places here online. For more resources, go to our website, pixelsoflight.org. Remember, you become what you behold, so walk in the light. Hey kids, do you like things that taste good? Do you like chocolate-covered stuff?
My stomach pumped.
Then you're going to love sugar-frosted things from Toxico Foods. Toxico Foods. Expertly sugar-coated, our ingredients not only look and taste delicious, but they are intentionally buried in so much frosting, you won't even have to think before swallowing them right down. featuring your soon-to-be favorites. Tastes okay. Yummy Strummy. Bottoms up. Unlock the flavor. Mega bites of taste. You got the power. Mystery pill. For your health. Forget about digestion. That's an icky thought. Let your taste buds do the thinking and get your bag today. Sugar frosted things. It doesn't matter what's inside as long as it tastes good now.